Si Tata Turno, nga taga Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte, usa sa mga makatestimonya sa Paragis Bila-Bila Herbal Capsule.
Na ako'y pulip dayo nagpa-check up ka sa doktor. Ingon ang doktor nga magpa-opera jud ko din. Daghan akong kuan ni try kog mga herbal pero wala man jud, so ni try ko aning Paragis na nakapalit mig 20 pieces. Okay na akong pamati, wala na ako mag-bleeding.
Sulay usab ninyo ang paggamit sa Paragis Bila-Bila Herbal Oil kaysa Paragis Bila-Bila. Dili na ka, mag-agwanta pa.
Ako si Christy Mabulay, working student sa University of Mindanao. Bisan nag-stressful ang magtrabaho o mag-eskwela, daghan sa akong mga higala ang nagsulti nga dili halata ang stress sa akong face. Tungod kay gawas sa akong diet ug exercise, nagainom sab ko og stress tabs. Tanaw nako tungod ni sa tabang sa stress tabs. Na ako'y nutrients para fresh looking gihapon ang akong skin ug alert pa gihapon ko bisan stress o pulaw. With proper diet and exercise, busa sa mga stress diha, i-try pod ninyo. Always read the label prior to use. Multivitamins with iron, generic name of stress tabs. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Kakayanin natin ang stress sa tulong ng Stress Tabs.
Adunay variety show diya sa Sitio Galangan ag Pangikalatraban, Negros Occidental karong Hunyo 12, 2025. Kining maong kalingawan ubos pagdapit ni Kapitan Lani Ramas ug mga konsihalis.
Mga higala, ang Life Extension Vitamin D3 gama sa Estados Unidos. Scientifically advanced formulated nga nailinibo nga mga medical studies. Rekomendado sa mga medical doctors. Ang imong health sigurado. Life Extension Vitamin D3. Life Extension Vitamin D3.
Hi, this is Jonathan from Life Extension Clinic in Dumaguete City. Am I speaking with William Hill?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, William. I was able to talk to one of our staff there at our branch in Dumaguete City. She told me that you were one of the regular users of Life Extension products ever since when you were in the U.S.
I've been taking it religiously for almost 9 years.
9 years.
It's an interesting story because I was taking Life Extension and I had some exams done, and the doctor recently, before I came here, said I was the healthiest person he ever saw this age. He said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. And I told him what I was doing with Life Extension. Now that doctor who examined me is recommending to his patients. Let me just say this. I've always been maybe a little more health conscious than most because my father, when he was 55 years old, had quadruple bypass surgery. It's in family history. They said my cardio, because I've been taking the D3 right here, Life Extension, big time for 9 years. And doctor says, man, your heart is like a 45 or 50-year-old man, even though I'm 75. 5,000 I use a day.
Okay, that is equivalent to 5 soft gels of our 1,000 international.
That's right. I take the 5
Life Extension. Yes.
Religiously, and I have, you know what? I cannot even remember the last time I was sick. Can't even remember looking back 8-9 years. That's what that's done for me. And D3, that was back then. Nobody knew about D3. But the last few years, they've learned about it. But I've been taking it for like at least 8 years, the D3 included, 7 or 8 years.
Yeah, we started campaigning for vitamin D3 supplementation here in the Philippines since 2001, and it's the brand Life Extension. I don't recommend any other brand. It's
I don't
Life
either.
Extension.
That's right.
Really, because Life Extension is different from the rest of the brands of vitamin D3 that we can find.
Absolutely. So much.
If you will be offered, for example, if you will be offered other brands of vitamin D3, will you be using, or you will be accommodating?
No. There's so much phony, propaganda about vitamins. But Life Extension, they care about they're not just there to make money. Their first priority that got with them started was they just want to make a difference in people's lives. They had a sense of purpose, and most companies are just marketing companies trying to make money.
Yeah,
Big
correct.
difference.
There are companies, a lot of companies, even in the Philippines, they're just producing, or they partner with a manufacturing company to manufacture, to produce them products for the purpose of profiteering.
Right, it's just making money.
Yes.
Just to make money, you're absolutely right. So Life Extension is the only one I trust. And
for you, what's the best brand of vitamin D3 in the Philippines today?
I have the D3 right here, Life Extension.
Can I get your full name, please, and your age?
Sure. William, the last name is Hill, Hill.
Life Extension Vitamin D3, the #1 trusted brand and the most prescribed vitamin D3 by the medical doctors in the Philippines. Life Extension Vitamin D3 for longer life.
Ug para sa ato ang mga higala, basing na diha sa inyo nga dunay gibating nga
balatian nga walay kaayuhan pinaagi sa tradisyonal nga pagtambal ug dako na ang nagastos sa medical treatment ug intervention. Mayong balita kay ang Life Extension Medical Clinic and Pharmacy naga-offer og libre busa di kalidad nga medical check-up kauban ang atong mga lisensyado nga mga medical doctor partners, nurses ug approachable medical staff para sa serbisyo nga libre, komportable, limpyo ug air-conditioned ang atong mga medical clinic branches. VIP treatment ang among pagatiman sa tanan bisag kinsa nga pasyente ug pinasahi pa ang medical practice sa Life Extension Medical Clinic. Ang amuang hiusa ang conventional nga medication ug labaw sa nutritional medicine. Basig dinhi pala ninyo mukuha ang kayuhan sa inyong mga balatian sa tanang mga Life Extension Medical Clinic and Pharmacy branches. Muadto lang mo sa Osmeña Boulevard, Cebu Doctors Building beside Cebu Gospel Church. Please text or call Cebu City Branch 0917-318-1161. Natay Clinic sad sa ADM Building, North Road, National Highway, Cansaga, Consolacion, Cebu. Please text or call 0917-318-1175. Life Extension Philippines Group of Medical Clinics and Pharmacies.
Nangita ba ka mo og libre pero di kalidad nga medical check-up? Mauna ni ang Life Extension Medical Clinic. May partner sa mga lisensyado nga medical doctors nga espesyalista sa mga nagkalain-lain nga mga health conditions. Diri gitagaan og pagtagad ang unique nga medical practice kung diin gi-combine ang nutritional ug ang conventional treatment sa mga pasyente. Unsa pa ang inyong gihuwat? Bisitahi ang Life Extension Clinic nga duol sa inyong lugar. Able matag Lunes hangtod Sabado. Alam sa pagpa-appointment og dugang kasayuran, mahimong mutawag sa Cebu Branch 416-1655 ug Consolacion Branch 268-7426.
Life Extension Philippines Group of Medical Clinics and Pharmacies for longer lives.
Ang dramang Muñeca nga sinuwat ni Baby Farida Salgado ipasundayag diha sa Linaw, Talisay City karong June 11, 2025 atol sa nobinaryo sa kapistahan ni Senyor Antonio de Padua. Kining maong drama ubos sa pag-sponsor sa January Builders, Mansing Sedentaryo and Family. Kita-kita ta diha sa Linaw, Talisay City karong Hunyo 11 alang sa dramang Muñeca.